recap of our song Lucy Locket. Can you help me sing with the words? Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Great! This time, can you sing me the Solfa notes in echo? Remember, it uses so, then la, back to so, and down to me. Can you do those hand signs? Let's have a review of those Solfa patterns. Echo after me. It goes so, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. Beautiful. Put all that solfa together. Remember, there's a phrase A, then a phrase B, then it goes back to phrase A and back to phrase B. Let's try it with all the solfa together. And so, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. Beautiful. This time, can you sing the words to the song but do the solfa hand signs? Two hands starting on. So here we go, sing with the words. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Great! We're going to have a look at the solfa notes on the board and do a little bit of a jumping activity next. Let's go. Have a look here. So here are the three solfa notes that you need. Let's recap those three solfa hand signs. You need so, then la, back to so, and down to me. Show me so, up to la, back to so, then skip over down to me. Echo after me. I'll sing the solfa first. There's so, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. This time we're going to jump the solfa notes. So is going to be here, la is a step higher, back to so, and then you've got to skip over fa to get over to me. So let's skip it to the pattern of Lucy Locket. Don't forget there is a note here we have to skip over to get to me. Have you got your so? La, back to so, and over to me. Now let's try jumping to those notes all together with the whole solfa pattern. And so, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. This time, can you sing the words to the song but jump onto the notes? So here is my Lucy Locket on a xylophone, or you could play it on an instrument that you learn, maybe the piano or maybe even the violin if you learn another instrument. Very simple, we only need 3 notes for Lucy Locket. And if I tell you that so is going to be on the note G today, then I need to find la and mi as well. Now la was a step higher from so. So if we go up a note, higher, as the notes get smaller, they get higher. So if I have la 1 step higher, there's my 2 notes I need, but then I need 1 more, I need mi as well. Now I'm going to skip over this one and get down all the way to mi on this note. So there's my 3 notes that I need to play on xylophone. If you've got a xylophone there, or if you want to echo on your instrument, give it a go. It sounds like this. I'll play a phrase and then you echo after me. It sounds like this. So, so, la, la, so, so, mi, mi. Second phrase goes so, so, la, la, so, mi. The third phrase, remember, was the same as the first phrase, so it goes in tates. So, so, la, la, so, so, mi, mi. And then the last phrase, same as the second phrase. So, so, la, la, so, mi. Let's try playing the whole song now, all together. I'll do it on this xylophone, you play it on your instrument. Ready, go. So, so, la, la, so, so, mi, mi. So, so, la, la, so, mi. So, so, la, la, so, so, mi, mi. So, so, la, la, so, mi. I'm going to play it now on my xylophone. Echo after me. So here is my xylophone part for Lucy Locket playing the melody. If you want to make it easier, you could take off the F, and that leaves you with the so here, the la here, back to so, and then down to mi. Echo after me if you have your xylophone or your instrument. Remember, it sounds like this. Singing in Solfa, it goes so, so, la, la, so, so, mi, mi. Then so, so, la, la, so, mi. Go. Then so, so, la, la, so, so, mi, mi. So, so, la, la, so, mi. Let's try singing the words to the song, but you echo the notes after me. Starting on G, then up to A, back to G, then down to E. It goes like this. Lucy